Good afternoon, Standard 8 students. Now I'll just have a recapitulation of the lesson. Okay, the first thing what are we supposed to understand in this lesson? That a little boy who was struggling in his life to win his father's adoration or his father's confidence, his father's trust, his father's love. Now, what was he actually going through is he was feeling very insecure and he feels that his father does not trust him, has no faith in him, and always has a negative opinion about Amir. Now, I will not introduce the story, it's already there, but I'll explain the theme. Now, Amir was struggling, and his childhood friend, Hassan, the son of his servant Ali, he forced him that to use the kite fighting tournament as an excuse or as a mean or as an opportunity. The only way now you could impress and win your father's confidence. Now in this chapter we see which all the children suffer with the similar thought. That no matter how much they struggle, how much or how hard they work, the parents don't seem to be satisfied. Okay. So now, through this competition, or during the span of this competition, Amir was focusing on his father's reaction. Now everyone was involved. Okay. His father was also cheering. His father was also clapping and smiling and enjoying the day. But when Amir looks at his father smiling, he senses or he feels, I don't know whether my father, my Baba, is actually cheering me up or is he smiling at my failure. And now this kite fighting competition had also frightened Amir. Suddenly he decided to quit or to withdraw himself from this competition. Why? Because he was afraid that he might fail. He may not be able to win his father's confidence. But you need somebody to encourage you, to give you that support. And Hassan, being his childhood friend, he understood the feeling of Amir and how Amir is struggling to win his father's adoration. So now he says, the day is not a monster. Today should not be personified as an ugly object which frightens people. So it is just a beautiful day, a day of enjoyment, a day of opportunities, and this is the only day you have to win your father's confidence. Now, whatever you would want to endeavor, whatever you want to achieve in life, always look at it from a positive point of view. Look at the good side of it rather than being an introvert and looking at the negative things in life. It will never ever help you move forward. So now, when Amir decided to take part, it was a moment of happiness for Hassan. Hassan was very thrilled, very excited, and that gave Amir and Hassan the strength to take part in this kite fighting tournament. Now, in the process, Amir was faring very well and he was hacking or cutting other kites. Then he was amongst the first 12, then 4, then finally only Amir and his opponent, the second last fellow in the sky. Now that became more exciting. Okay. Now I'm putting aside the tournament, I'm putting aside the kite runners and all that. I'm focusing only on Amir. Now Amir was told, his father had observed that Amir was paying more attention towards him rather than looking at the kites and concentrating. So he was told to focus more in the sky. Okay. And then he decided, yes, I must do that. If I have to win my father's love, trust, faith, confidence, and everything, I have to win this competition. And if God wishes it, then nobody can prevent me from winning this kite fighting tournament. So he was all out to impress. Now, in the process of this kite fighting, what happens? We call it manja. The thread is made with glass pieces and masalas and all to strengthen it and to sharpen it. So, continuously use of the thread and the thread moving, it cuts your finger. So, at the end of the day, what happens when you keep pulling, tugging, jerking and all that, your hand is filled with blood. But the children don't mind. They lick the blood, they wipe it in their pants, but the show must go on. So now when the opponent, when he got entangled, when he got trapped in Amir's line, now he knew he was in great danger. He was trying his best to uncoil himself so that he could be free and then attack Amir's kite on a different position. But Amir was also as smart as him and he knew how to play. And finally, Amir got the better of the opponent's kite and hacked him. Now, the joy that was seen in Hassan's face, the excitement, the way he hugged him and he knew that he had won. He had not only won the kite fighting tournament, he also did win his father's love, trust, hope, faith and confidence. He was able to make his father happy and satisfied with his performance. This was the theme of this particular story. We should not give up in life. Although people may demoralize us, people may condemn us, people may suppress us, but that shouldn't stop us from working hard and to achieve our goal. The road to success, they say, is not very easy and comfortable. You have to undergo a lot of obstacles. A lot of obstacles will come in your way. But your determination, okay, your willpower, you being an extrovert, looking at the positive things in life, and then the hard work you put behind it, automatically you will be successful. Now this lesson does not only teach us how Amit surprised his father or impressed his father. It is something for us to learn in life through this story. So many a times in life we are discouraged. We've been told, you cannot do, it is not your cup of tea. But we must not lose heart. We must not lose hope. And we should have a strong willpower, and we should be determined to fulfill whatever we are striving forward for. So I'll be sending some answers in the soft copy. Please write and learn them. Okay? Thank you. See you in the next class.